nature of love. The nature of love. Is it insanity? Or is love a manifestation of how you feel for somebody? How far will you go for somebody that you love? How far will you go for somebody that you have developed these unnatural, supernatural feelings for? How far would you go? Well, I'm in love. I know what love is. I know what I think love is. I know what I feel. How far will I go? I will hold a cup, let her pull down her pantyhose, and pee in that cup. Yes, I'll let her squirt in that cup, pee in that cup. As I hold it, or I'll watch her as she holds it. And if she was to say, drink from this cup, my love, prove your feelings for me, I would do it in a heartbeat, because that is the nature of my love for her. Where am I? How far will I go? What am I willing to do? I don't know. Is love a form of sanity or insanity? I don't know. But I've done some pretty insane things for what you call love. I love this particular woman. I would give anything to be with this particular woman. I would give anything to marry this particular woman, and she knows it. If she told me to lie flat on the floor in her office while she squat over me and take a shit over my mouth, I would open wide, close my eyes, and hope for the best. And then with eyes wide open, I would wait as whatever she decides to do falls onto my tongue and down my throat. Why? Love. The nature of love. There are no anti-cruelty laws.